Hi guys, and welcome back to the Aspiring Home Cook. My name is Trisha, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to put together a batch of peri peri chicken wings from scratch. We're not using a store-bought marinade or sauce. We're going to make a beautiful spice mix in the blender in minutes and use it to make one of the tastiest batches of chicken wings you will have ever come across, and that's a promise. Now, peri peri chicken can vary in spice levels from mild to really hot and spicy. Now, this recipe is spicy, however, you can adjust the level of spice to suit your needs. I'm using red Thai bird's eye chilies, and those are known to be really spicy. If you can't handle the heat, use a milder chili, maybe a cayenne pepper or something like that. Today I'm going to serve up these peri peri chicken wings with a blue cheese dip. Now, if you don't like blue cheese or don't have access to blue cheese, you can put together a nice zesty coleslaw and serve that with these chicken wings too. I'll go ahead and leave a link to my quick and easy coleslaw recipe right here so that you can go check it out later. Now, before we go on to the recipe, if you're new here and you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. And once you do, don't forget to click that little bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's go on over now and have a look at this recipe, shall we? We're going to start by whipping up our marinade. For this marinade today, I'm using 8 bird's eye chilies. To make the grinding process easier, I've chopped them up into little bits. I'm going to use 4 large garlic cloves today. Now, garlic gives this marinade an absolutely beautiful flavor, so don't skimp on it. Use anywhere between 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, depending on the size. To this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of paprika. I'm using smoked paprika today. And for some added punch, I'm using a little bit of extra hot cayenne pepper. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper to my marinade, 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, and a teaspoon of black pepper powder. To this marinade, I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon or 1 lime, and about a tablespoon of some vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar today. And that's your marinade. I'm going to blitz this quickly till it comes together to form a nice paste. And that's what you're looking for, a beautiful, vibrant red color to your marinade. Now for the wings, today I'm using the Woolworths line of macro free-range chicken wing nibbles. These are already prepped and cut into portions like this. And these are the only free-range chicken wings that I can find locally. So that's what I'm using. They've been washed and I'm just going to pat them dry now to get rid of any excess water. This is just under a kilo's worth of chicken wings. Sprinkle some salt over the chicken and add all of the paste. Now, using a spoon, just spread the paste over and make sure that all of the wings are coated well with your marinade. And once everything's well coated, set this aside to marinate for about half an hour. It doesn't really need too long. Once the chicken has marinated, preheat your oven to about 180 degrees C and prep a baking pan by drizzling a little olive oil over it. And at this point, you can use a silicone brush or just use your fingers to spread that around all over the pan. Place your chicken wings in the pan in a single layer, making sure that any of the skinny bits stay away from the edges of the pan because those are the bits that will burn first. Don't waste any of that excess marinade. Just top up the chicken wings with whatever's left behind in the bowl and your wings are ready to go into the oven. And now I'm going to bake this for about 40 minutes or till they're cooked through, flipping them over once at the halfway mark. While the chicken's cooking, I'm going to quickly prepare my blue cheese dip. For this, I'm going to use approximately 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt. These are all approximate amounts. You can tweak the quantities to suit your liking. To this, I'm going to add about 1/4 to 1/3 cup, depending on your preferences, of crumbled blue cheese. Add a little white pepper to taste and mix everything through. I use the back of a spoon to kind of mash that cheese into the yogurt and mix it up. And I'm going to add a little splash of Worcestershire sauce. Stir that through well. And at this point, you can taste your dip and make adjustments as required. I'm going to add in just a little bit more of that Worcestershire sauce and I'm going to stir that through again. My dip is now ready. I'm just going to pop this into the fridge to chill for a bit while my chicken wings cook up. The chicken wings have come out of the oven and I love how they've turned out. There's a beautiful caramelization just around the edges, but the wings are still nice and juicy on the inside. So to plate up, I'm just going to serve this with a little bit of that blue cheese dip. For a quick meal, you can even serve this with a little salad on the side, and dinner is sorted. To make everything just a little pretty, I'm going to add some chopped parsley over the top. It adds a beautiful flavor to the wings as well. And your gorgeous homemade peri peri chicken wings are ready to be served. This is a simple, easy, and such a delicious recipe. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like spicy food, you are going to love this. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with family and friends that you think might enjoy it too. As always, I'll leave a link with the recipe down in the description box below for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I'm going to see you really soon with another delicious recipe. So till then, take care. Bye.